Okay, today our warm-up is comparing fractions with my second math class of the day. And it is Triangle Tuesday, but this is our warm-up. We have triangles later on. So comparing fractions, what we're doing, we have models that we can use, or we can use the butterfly method. So we're going to do both here. I'm going to shade in quickly, but before I shade it in, I'm going to do the butterfly method so that we can compare and see how that works without a visual aid. So we have 2/4 and 6/8. We do not have the same denominator, so we cannot look at the numerator and tell whether or not one's bigger or one's smaller. So instead of making a common denominator, which we could do, we're going to go ahead and make our butterflies. Brooke, can you explain to me the butterfly method?
So what you do is, we take 2/8, we'll take the 2 and the 8, and we will multiply that.
Very good.
2 times 8 equals 16. So we're going to take the 2 and the 8, and we're going to put 2 times 8 equals 16. So we'll put the 16 on top of the 2. That's how we're going to find out which one's going to be bigger.
And now what do I multiply by?
Then you're going to multiply 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equals 24. So we'll put 24 above the 6.
Okay, so now we see that 2/4, and then we have a number for 6/8. Thank you, Brooke. Which number is bigger, 16 or 24? Everyone.
24!
Okay, so 2/4 is less than 24. If I were to color this in, I would color in 2 of these, and we could see it visually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now visually we could see if we have the area models, which sometimes we're not going to, so we need to know the other method as well. But you can visually see that 2/4 is less than 6/8, or if we talk about it the other way, we can say 6/8 is greater than 2/4. But we're always eating the bigger amount. Okay, Alex, do you want to explain how to do the butterfly model for the next one?
Sure.
Tyler.
So, first you want to
Okay, go ahead, Alex. Alex is telling us, explaining this now.
oval, or whatever you want to call it, around the 5 and the 2.
Good.
And you have to draw another oval over the 8 and the 1.
Very good.
So you're going to multiply either one of those, either one. You want to do 1 first or 1 second. So for instance, I'm going to do 8 times 1.
Okay.
That's going to equal 8.
Good.
And then 2 times 5, that's going to equal 10.
Okay.
So which one's greater? It is the 10.
Okay. So because 10 is larger than 8, I'm going to put a less than symbol here. Very good, Alex. Nice job. Golf clap for Alex. All right. So if I now am showing you by a model, I have 1/2, where I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eighths. And now you visually can see that 1/2 is less than 5/8. Very good. Do I have my next volunteer here? Maria. Then we'll go to Colson. Maria, you're up.
So first you're going to circle the 2 and the 4. And then you're going to circle the 2 and the 3. And then you do 4 times 2, which equals 8. And then you do 3 times 2, which equals 6. And then I know that 8 is greater than 6, so I know that 2/3 is greater than 2/4.
That was really well put. Okay, so let me color this in so we can visually see it now. And we would eat more if we were eating 2/3 of the pie than 2/4 of the pie. So golf clap for Maria. Nice job. Okay. Colson's going to help us out with this fraction here. We're going to be comparing it. So what do we do, Colson? Go ahead.
So you
Talk
want
about
to connect these two into an oval? Yep.
Okay, so tell me again, which two do we connect?
2 and 2.
Okay, very good.
And then same thing for 4 and 1.
Good. And now what do I multiply?
And then you multiply, and then you multiply 4 by 1, 4 times 1,
Okay.
and then 2 times 2.
Okay, here we have a different situation so far. We are not going to do greater than or less than symbol. What are we going to put here, Colson?
Equal.
Equals. Very good job. So if I were to color in the models, I would see 2/4 and 1/2 are equal to each other. Golf clap, Colson. Nice job, sweetie. Good job. All right, Landon's going to help us. He's our next volunteer. What are we going to do to see which one's larger by comparing these fractions?
We're going to do the butterfly.
Okay. So what are we going to multiply together first? So
1
put together.
and 8.
Okay,
And
let me do
3
that
and
first. Hold on
3.
1 second. 1 times 8. And then, okay. And now what do I do?
1, then you times them. 1 times 8 equals 8.
Mm-hmm.
3 times 3 equals 9.
Okay, so which one's larger?
9.
Okay, so I'm going to put a less than symbol here because 1/3 is less than 3/8. I'm going to color in my models and visually see 1, 2, 3. It's just a little bit larger, but it is larger. All right, Landon, thank you. Good job. Golf clap for Landon. Nice job. So that was our warm-up for comparing fractions. Nice job, second math. Thank you.